What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got the brand new Kimo. I got this on clearance sale. You can buy this at Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and some other website. I got this only for $44 in chains, and it comes with with an adapter. And this one is a half-inch impact rings, rated for 350 pounds of torque. I already loosen up the this nut, as you see, already loosen up. And this one I torque this for 85 pounds of torque, so we're gonna use this one. Let's see if this thing will able to will break loose. I'm gonna loosen up again. Hold on 1 second. There it is. See? So this type of compact cordless impact rings able to break loose the 85 pounds of torque. As what I said a while ago, 350 pounds of torque. I only put 85 pounds that I torque my nut for my Kia Sedona. So I highly recommend you guys get this one. This one I got this on clearance at Amazon for $44 in chains. 46, I think. I believe like 44 or $46 in chains. And you will not get wrong. Probably if you buy this right now, you can get this around $79.99 in chains. But keep shopping online. You will come across that they sell this. The 4th of July is coming. Probably they have a sales online. Try to search and you will come across that they're gonna sell this for a lesser price. I guess it's for 46 if I'm not mistaken. In chains, you will not get wrong. It's a good product. You are able to use this to break loose your nut for your vehicle, for the tire. Not only that, but also it will help you to break loose all the caliper bolt, the nuts. Easy for you to do it instead of manually removing the nuts and bolts for your brake parts. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, guys, if you guys found my videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll catch you guys later for my next video. Again, this is a cordless compact impact rings, 350 pounds of torque. You will not get wrong. I highly recommend you guys. This is a big thumbs up, 5-star. You will not get wrong. I already removed the bolts and nuts of my Kia Sedona, and I'm able to replace the brake pads using this cordless impact rings. You will not get wrong. I highly recommend you guys. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for watching. God.